Hi YouTubers, it's me. I'm going to be doing a little unboxing slash haul. Unboxing some Forever 21 and Nespresso, and then the haul is TJ Maxx with two X's, which I find very interesting. I will be right back because I have to grab, I like this on the left. Weird. I will be right back. I have to get a scissor to cut the boxes open with. Be right back. I just turned another light on and it's not open. Chapstick. So the first box that I want to open is the Forever 21 one. Yes, that's it. I ordered 3 sweatshirts, well 2 sweatshirts and a hoodie. A zip-up hoodie. And I don't know if they're gonna fit. I just took a shower and I'm still moist. This area and stuff. I don't know if they're out right now. Maybe I've ordered 3 sweatshirts altogether, or 2 sweatshirts and a hoodie. Really guys. Well, this is interesting. I was surprised it came in a box because normally my clothes come in like pouch things like this. How embarrassing. So this one I got because I've been losing weight, but I'm still broad. I like my sweatshirt tops, you know what kind of top it is, to be big, or at least comfy. So I got 2 Juicy Couture sweatshirts, if you will call them that. This one is 2X. Forever 21 is also like young girl or young women. I'm not a junior anymore. I haven't been for a while, unfortunately. But really good coming. Alright, let me pause it. So this is one of the Juicy Couture ones. This is the only zip-up hoodie that I got. See what I mean? It's short. It's like the whole pack. Might be like a that nice black floor. Ooh, the back is the back. I really wanted to get a pink Victoria's Secret one. Victoria's Secret, they have these days. But they don't make them in my size. So they do now, but they're not cute like this. So I really wanted something like this with Victoria's Secret, but this is the next best thing. It has the rhinestones that say Juicy Couture with a heart. That was so pretty and cute. And on the front it says Juicy Couture Forever Los Angeles. And there's a hoodie, and I want them now, but I needed things like this for the fall. And I just needed things like this. Juicy Couture Forever 21. It doesn't have a price on here. I don't remember what it was. I also got this other one, which is just a straight up hoodie. Also in black. And this one, similar neck, the hoodie with the string, the string. It says Juicy Forever. And then what else is on the front? Big Juicy. You know, it's juicy. Extra juicy. And then underneath it says Forever. I didn't know that collaboration. This one I got in a 0 actual thing. It's big enough. Short again. I don't understand these sizes. Hopefully it's big enough. The shoulder part seems pretty wide. I have very long shoulders. Pink. It's a pink colored shirt. And this one says Barbie on it. It kind of looks, I got it. number 21 plus Barbie, and this one is a 1X. Again, I don't know what that is, but I brushed it over. The shoulders feel broad enough. Little pretty Barbie. With these pockets, and strap, support, something on the back. See, they're good, but they don't look that way. About that. Then from Nespresso, I got a lot of coffee. Oh, this is my sampler. It says coffee is made for milk. And hopefully these are the ones that are good for my espresso. It's a double espresso Bianco Leggero. And then Bianco Forte. The double espresso is 2.7 fluid ounces, and the Bianco Forte coffee is a 7.77 fluid ounce. That's cute. Oh, that's really cute. Can't wait to try these. And I got a few. No, I just got, what is this? One round of, these I picked. There should be this caffeinated in here. Not for me, because I don't believe in decaf, but like for somebody else. I don't know what this one is. I'll have to look it up. Pretty sure I ordered decaf for somebody, like for guests. Maybe I'll give it to you. This one's called Stormio. I think this one's just a regular coffee and not an espresso, because I was trying to find one that's just a regular coffee. And it's 85% recycled aluminum. They recycle their pods, and I started to contribute to that as well. This one's 7.77 fluid ounces, and it's 8 on the strength scale, and it goes up to 11 apparently. And then I got 2 of these, which are double espresso scuro, and these are, where's the size? Oh, 2.7 fluid ounces. Look on the top. And they are 11 out of 11 on the strength scale. So these are my pouches for recycling. So what you do is you take your used hot pods and you stick them in here and you wait until it fills up. And you mail it away to Nespresso in New Jersey, which is where I live. And then they reuse them or recycle them. Then I have this one from some Mexican one. It says it's Mexico. That's pretty. And this one has, what is it? I don't know where I keep seeing that and then I don't see it. Oh, it's 7.77 fluid ounces again. It says woody, the woody taste, and it's 7 out of 11, so it's pretty strong. Then I got, oh, here's the decaffeinated. I did get decaffeinated. I got 2 rounds of decaffeinated because I don't believe in decaf coffee, but sometimes I have guests over and they do. It has 6 out of 11 strength, 7.77 fluid ounces. This is for the last word on my grandma, and I'm like, we want decaf here. And now we go. And there's 3 more. I got the hazelnut muffin or hazelino muffin. Also 7.77 fluid ounces, and it doesn't show me which strength it is. Interesting. This one just doesn't say. I think it's more like on the medium probably. But they're pretty good. I like them. And I got this one, which is caramel cookie. And 7.77 fluid ounces. These don't tell you the strength. This is flavored, but I would say they're somewhere in the middle. The last one I have, or I got, is the vanilla custard pie. These are pretty darn good. And it is also 7.77 fluid ounce, and you can guess the strength because it doesn't tell me. Then from, I was about to say Target, TJ Maxx, I got a few things. I got one for the cat. I was maybe I'll drink it for them. Oh, these are the bowls. Oh, yeah. So I got a set of 4 bowls, cereal bowls from TJ Maxx. They're microwave cautious baby. I might do one back to the paper. I'm not calling them others. And they didn't look like they were broken yet, which I was happy about. And they were cheap. $7.99. It's from Home at Last, or 10 Strawberry Street. 10 Strawberry Street, don't know it. Home at Last. Set of 4 cereal bowls. Simple, elegant, affordable. It sure is. Hey, Thumper Bumper. Yeah, the brand's 10 Strawberry Street. And it comes with cereal bowls. They're like nice black ceramic. It's like this edge thing here, you can tell. Pretty good size. I noticed we don't have many. I don't know where I'm going to put it, but I'll find a place. And then I got some mugs. This is one of them. This is, oh, it's dated 2020. That explains it. So I'm like, where does all this stuff come from? It's like a random, it's a store, it's like a Burlington to me with random stuff. Just marked down. It's a Halloween themed mug. Halloween Snoopy, I mean, theme mug. And it was only $5.99. And it's considered a soup mug. It was the only one that I saw at least. And I was like, getting it. It's Snoopy. And this is the thing I got kind of for the class. I want to say it was $6.99. I don't remember because there was no price on it, and the lady had to go find something like it. And I told her there's a lion, so she checked the lion, and the lion had a price on it, like their price sticker. This doesn't have it. It's a yoga cat, I guess you'd call it. I don't know. Not yoga, meditation cat. I figured it would look cute somewhere here. Motivation. What is it called? What the hell? Meditation cat. That's what it is. Look, Thumper. Look, Bunny. I got you a surprise. He's like, huh? I don't care. Meditation cat. I put it there by the fireplace with their new pillow. And then I got yellow. Did I get 2 of these? I was going to get something else, but I was going to go this way. So these say, Feeling Blessed from Sheffield Home. I like the inside too. It's very like home. These were $5.99. And they're microwave dishwasher safe, which makes me happy. Yes, I got 2 of them. Okay. And so again, feeling blessed on both sides. It's nice. So I'm gonna feel blessed now. Then lastly, I got a new, what I'm going to use this for, the garbage pail for my bathroom, because the one that's in there already has to go. I don't like it anymore. It's not me. I don't know if the garbage bags are going to fit this, but the new ones I bought will. It's from a brand. It says handcrafted in India. And that's what I think it's called. That's what it says. And it was $9.99. Just gold and like, I don't know what you'd call this. I want to say Greek or Aztec-y, but I don't know if that makes any sense. But that's what it looks like to me. More like coastal, like a pirate, which is where I was going with. But I like it. I think it's really cool, nice looking. I hope Daniel likes it, and he's not like, why'd you get a new garbage pail? Because the one we have is ugly, and it's torn, not torn, but worn, and it's just, ugh. This is so much nicer. And it was cheap. And then, that was it. That is it. That's it.